Man, stop playing with me. What?
I'm back. Today is gonna be day number 4 of Doordash, earned by time. I got my first order already. Throw it up on screen right there, little McDonald's order. And Mickey D's is right over there. So we finna slide on over there and get this night started. The time is 5:55. I'm going all the way until probably 10 p.m. So let's see how many orders we can get. I need to get my acceptance rate up. I'm currently at a 36%. And that drive-through is packed. Today, we are gonna be dashing in the Collinsville zone. I usually dash in Glen Carbon. Sometimes I'll be in Webster Groves, Florissant, St. Charles. We in Collinsville today because I ain't trying to go too far and I need to get my AR up and I'm trying to make a little bit of money at the same time. So let's slide into this McDonald's, see if they got this first order ready. This order right here is for 3 cookies and a frappe, and that's it. And it ain't even ready. This is when I throw the shades on right here. Oh, it's ready. Boom. Thank you. Well, it wasn't ready when I got there, but it was ready when I started recording, so that's good enough for me. Still, all in all, didn't have to waste too much time on it. Let's go ahead and get this first order done. Hopefully this gets me up to 37, because like I said, that AR don't mean always going up it with every order. Order number 1. Boom, front door service, get that photo, and we out. $5.38 on that one. Great customer. $3 tip for a 1-mile McDonald's delivery. And it was only 3-pack cookies and a McFrappe. That's a great McDonald's order. It really don't get no better than that. Let's head back over by this McDonald's and see what we can get for order number 2. After waiting about 10 or 12 minutes, DoorDash sent me one offer, Wingstop order, almost 12 miles away, 1 item, taking me north up out of this zone, so I declined that. I used my 1 decline per hour. Started at 6 p.m., only made $5.83, so I only got 1 decline all the way until 7. Next order they sent me, I'm gonna have to take, and hopefully it takes me all the way into this next hour and it pays good. So that's asking a lot. They only guaranteeing $14.75 in this zone. So that means I'd have to get a good order, the miles would have to be low, and it'd have to keep me right here by these restaurants so that, yeah, that's asking a lot. See, this is the downside with earned by time. Now, hopefully I make it back up when it picks up in the later hours, but that's not guaranteed. Let's see how this night goes and see if I'm gonna be able to raise this AR. That last order took me up to 37, so we moving in the right direction, but I just declined one. So you know how that go. It might have went back down on me, but with me being below 50%, I might have a little wiggle room as far as getting up to 50. But once I get up there, it's gonna be 1 for 1. Each one I accept or each one I decline. All right, so we got lucky. Next one came in, 6.9 miles at Wingstop. That's way better than 12 miles. So let's head on over. Still only 1 item on this one. You know what, I'm gonna take what I can get. Hopefully my AR is still on the rise and not the decline. Let's head on over to Wingstop. Yes, sir, we made it to Wingstop. Now I just checked my acceptance rate. I'm still sitting at 38%. No, I actually went up to 38%, so we're in good shape. And now I know I ain't gonna be able to do that too much longer. Once you make it to 50%, each one you decline, take you down for sure. Number 2, ready to go. Her eating me some caramel mountain trail mix, and I just got my next order. Panera bread, 1.5 miles, 3 items, and it's perfect because I just pulled back up over here to the plaza where all the merchants is at, and the time is now 6:50, so that means I got 10 minutes before this first hour is up, and then I'll be heading into hour number 2 of earned by time. And hopefully, as long as this order don't give me all base pay, which would be like $2.50, then I should make more than the guaranteed $14 per hour. But again, I'm really just trying to raise my acceptance rate, so I'm not tripping off how much I get paid off this order, as long as it ain't a no-tip order, because that's really gonna grind my gears if it is. But we should be in good shape. Panera is right over here in this next parking lot, so let's see if they got this thing ready. Sir, we heading into Panera right now, also known as St. Louis Bread Co. for all my non-St. Louis folk. This is where Panera Bread Co. started at. So let's head in and see if they got this order ready. Ready to go. Lucky me, I get a DoubleTree hotel delivery. It's already 7 o'clock, so we passed the 1 hour mark. Hopefully we looking at something good on this one because we are into the next hour already. And I can't find the elevator on top of all that. Well, this delivery is definitely taking longer than I have ever hoped and wished it would have, but it's all good. I'm about to confirm this and it better be a tip on her. $6.88. We had a $3 tip on that going to the 4th floor. So that means I'm probably at $18 for this first hour. And it's probably gonna be 15 minutes before I make it back to the area with the orders in it. Gotta earn by time, it ain't always a win. It definitely ain't happening right now. I would like to be over 20 bucks for the first hour. I'm kind of frustrated right now, but Trying to raise that acceptance rate, that's what you gotta deal with. Well, at least it's a nice, beautiful hotel I get to look at on the way down. Nice scenery. I mean, at least there's that. Ain't making a whole lot of money on these orders, but that's all good. We at 39% now, so 11 more points and we'll be at 50. Oh, I switched zones to a different zone so that I can try to see if I can get some orders, and they came through. I just got my next order, $14.75 for 7.9. Now, I think because I hit Dash along the way, they switched me to earn per order, but I'm lucky that I got a good one. So we finna go ahead and pull up and see if they got this order ready. They got curbside pickup, but I ain't never been to this Applebee's, so I don't quite know how they do it. Alrighty, we got that Applebee's dropped off, so now that one paid $14.75. And the funny thing is they guarantee $14.75 over here in this zone. The customer tip $12.50, right? Base pay $250, gave me exactly, no, base pay was $225, gave me exactly $14.75. Like, this is crazy. Like, if I would have been on Earn by Time, I guarantee you Doordash would have manipulated that base pay and manipulated that tip to where it still would have equaled $14.75. So that was a dash along the way because I switched my zones and it threw me in the Earn by Order. But still, I feel like Doordash manipulating the game out here. It is what it is. Look, they just threw on a $2 peak pay for the Collinsville zone, so I'm about to hop back over there. I'm not Top Dasher, but I was able to check the schedule and I scheduled me for Collinsville. Let's see if they're gonna let me in early. It's 7:45 now, and we sitting at like what, 32 bucks, 30 something bucks? Not good. Whatever we sitting at is not great, okay? But we finna see if we can go ahead and hit some $2 peak pay. Next order came in, we got a Little Caesars order. This one came in at 1 item, 7 miles, Little Caesars. So I'm hoping I get an add-on, but I'm pulling up the Little CC's now, and this is gonna be order number 5 on Doordash Earn by Time. So hopefully that put me at 41%. And if I can get a few more before the night's over with, hey, I'm cool with that, because $2 peak pay give me a little bit more in the tank. You know what I'm saying? And I wasn't expecting to make 100 bucks tonight anyways. The goal is raise that AR. Alrighty, Little CC's, I need this to be ready. Nope, they have no orders ready. Alrighty guys, you know the drill. We got the Little CC's. Let's get it in the hot bag and get to this delivery. 7 miles away, but luckily we right by the highway, so it's slightly better. Alrighty, 11-mile Chick-fil-A delivery. Doordash, Earn by Time. Looks like we got a little bit of construction in the neighborhood. I wonder what they're building right there. Ooh, an Olive Garden, okay. Looks like we got an Olive Garden coming to the neighborhood. And there is good old Chick-fil-A right there, off in the distance. Alrighty, next up, we got 4.8 miles, 1 item. This one is at Oriental Spoon, right up the street. I got that first one done, and now we heading to this next one. They ended it, but I was able to hop right back in. So now I'm on order number 2, and my acceptance rate is actually going up. So we moving in the right direction, guys. I'm at 42%. So I need 8 more orders, and I'll be in that sweet zone of 50%. Let's get it. Yes, sir, we made it to Oriental Spoon. Order number 2, Doordash Earn by Time. We at a 42% acceptance rate. Sir, we got that one in the hot bag. That thing was ready to go. 5 miles on this one, but it's actually probably a little bit less because these back streets, they get a little whippy windy over here. And I don't actually be thinking they be calculating the correct mileage on some of these orders. So I'm cool with that. We finna go ahead and slide up and take these back streets, and we're gonna be up there in a jiffy. Alrighty, so this customer is at the park. This might be her right here. Hello. Awesome. Boom, I got you right here in the hot bag. There we go. Oh.
I'm sorry, there was a bug.
Oh, no problem.
Thank
you got
you.
it? No
Yeah.
problem. You have a good one. Thank you, Vanessa. That was an awesome order. $5 base pay, $5 tip. I got $10.09 altogether on that order. Not bad. Now, I actually was able to get me a Walmart Spark order too. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop that one off, because you know what? I'm tired of just doing Doordash by itself. I'm back to multi-apping. So let's go ahead and get this next order dropped off. Next order came through. We got 3.9 miles, 3 items at McDonald's. This one is taking me over to, it's calling me to a different McDonald's. So I got a McDonald's that I'm actually pretty close to right up here, but it's calling me to the other McDonald's, and the drop off is like less than a mile away from that McDonald's. So this whole, pretty much all of this delivery, all of this distance, all of the mileage on this order is all heading to the restaurant. So let's head on over to McDonald's and get it done. Sir, we got the bag. Time to deliver it. Doordash, I got you. Yeah, I was over there at first, and then he was like, no, you might want to do the other door.
Man, stop playing with me. What?
Are you hungry for success? Get your delivery game on fleek with DoorDash's Earn by Time feature. It's time to spice up your acceptance rate and savor those better orders while stacking up some serious dough. So look, buckle up because we about to serve you a dish you will not be able to resist. First and foremost, I want to say thank you for being here. All right, folks, let's dig right into the meat and potatoes of this feature. DoorDash's Earn by Time feature is like having your own personal chef, guarantee you a minimum income hour you spend on the road, making it rain in your pocket. Now, let's get right into it. Advantages of Earn by Time for acceptance rate. Cruising around town, making deliveries left and right, and suddenly a peculiar order pops up. Before you can even say, hold up. Your old mindset might have led you to decline that offer, but with DoorDash's Earn by Time feature, that's a thing of the past. You're gonna be dancing your way to a higher acceptance rate because every order counts, my friends. Every single one. You don't even gotta worry about it. I know what you're thinking, but hey, trader, won't accepting every order leave me with breadcrumbs when it comes to making that money? No, my fellow Dashers, fear not. DoorDash has got your back. By boosting your acceptance rate, you are unlocking the door's secrets. You unlocking the secrets to the stash of better orders, my friends. It's like finding a golden ticket inside your delivery bag, and trust me, it's not just Willy Wonka who want to make them sweet profits, it's you too. Now let's sprinkle in some real life scenarios, shall we? We've all had those moments when we've accidentally delivered to the wrong address or left customers with a burrito that looks like it's been through a roller coaster ride. But look, don't worry, I got your back. When your acceptance rate is soaring high, DoorDash will shower you with orders that bring smiles to your face and not confused looks or disappointed growls. Now look, it's like getting an extra life in a delivery game. DoorDash is like a game, it's like a video. It's just like getting an extra life. All right, food warriors, it's time to wrap this video up. DoorDash's Earn by Time feature is like secret ingredients to spice up your acceptance rate. Unlock better orders, fatten up your wallet. So go on ahead, accept those orders with confidence and let DoorDash be your wingman on your road to delivery success. Now check this out. If you've enjoyed this video and want more appetizing tips and tricks, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. Stay hungry, my friends, and stay happy delivering with DoorDash using Earn by Time.
Man, stop playing with me. What?